Next target 8.6. By 2020, substantially reduce the proportion of youth not in employment, education or training. And the indicator for this 8.6.1, proportion of youth not in education, employment or training. The pandemic worsened labour market prospects for youth, with more young people not in education, employment or in training. Globally, nearly 1 in 4 people were not in education, employment or training in 2022. Although this is a slight decrease since 2020, with the NEET rate when it was at an all-time high. It remains higher than pre-academic levels and above the 2015 baseline of 22.2%. In other words, COVID-19 exacerbated a trend already on the rise, as youth suffered higher unemployment losses than older workers and quit their studies due to the massive disruptions in education and on-the-job training. There has been minimal recovery. Across regions, the situation remains most dire for young people in Central and Southern Asia and Western Asia and Northern Africa, with the NEET rates of 31.4 and 28.8% respectively. These two regions are home to about half of the world's youth who are not in education, employment or training, although only 1/3 of the youth live there. Meanwhile, Sub-Saharan Africa recorded the highest increases from 2015 to 2022, with now over a quarter of young people in the region not in education, employment or in training.